Would you die for your first love? The book I have chosen is The Hunger Games by Susan Collins. Susan Collins was born in Connecticut. She has two majors, one in telecommunication and other in drama. Her first work was as a writer for children's television shows. She worked on several television shows for Nickelodeon, including Clarissa Explains All. She inspired the Hunger Games in the stories her father told her about the war. The Hunger Games has been on the New York Times bestseller list for more than 60 weeks in a row. As a result of the significant popularity of the Hunger Games books, Collins was named one of Time magazine's most influential people of 2010. The Hunger Games are setting in the future in a country named Panem. Panem is conformed by 12 districts and one capital. The capital has subjugated the 12 districts because of a rebellion they have lost. As a punishment of this rebellion, the capital created the Hunger Games. The Hunger Games is a show which a group of children conformed by a boy and a girl for each district are forced by the capital to fight one another to death, and the winner becomes rich. The principal characters of the book are Katniss and Pete. They are from District 12. Katniss is proud, independent, and clever. She has black hair, gray eyes, and olive skin. Katniss is a hunter, and shoots death with bow and arrow. Katniss loves his family, and she does anything for them. Because of this, Katniss volunteered for the Hunger Games, taking the place of her sister. Katniss' challenge is to survive to the Hunger Games to be with his family. Peeta has brown hair, blue eyes, and white skin. He is very charismatic, clever, and strong. He is in love with Katniss. For this, his challenge is to make Katniss survive to the Hunger Games. The passage I have chosen is what Katniss feels about the Hunger Games. Taking the kids from our districts, forcing them to kill one another while we watch. This is the capital way of reminding us how totally we are at the mercy. How little chance we will stand of surviving another rebellion. Whatever words they use, the real message is clear. Look how we take your children and sacrifice them, and there is nothing you can do. If you lift a finger, we will destroy every last one of you, just as we did in District 13.